So we'll be designing our single product page, and to do that, we're going to head to again our team builder to work on our single product page. And for that, we're going to go to product single. So here you're just going to click on edit template again. So here it is. So let's go ahead and make our necessary customization. So we want to change this to our brand color here, and then we change the button as well. Button color to a dark color. All right, so that looks good. So the image looks good as well. Change this to our brand color as well. We also change this to our brand color as well. Normal price, we have sale price. Okay, our sale price is normally the brand color, and our normal price is normally dark color. So we're just gonna make that switch here. So that looks good. So we're also gonna change this to brand color. That looks good. We're also going to change the add to cart button here, and as well um, set this to Ajax add to cart. So this looks good. This quantity. So what we want to customize here is add to cart button, which is this for the background color for border. Then on hover, we want it to be border brand color, and then background color, we want it to be transparent. So we want it to be like this, and then we change the color to dark. All right, so that looks good. We're just going to add the border, so the border actually shows. So here it is, and it looks good. All right, so next we're going to also customize that the icon, and as well as the remove icon color. Okay, so we move to the description section as well. On hover, we have this as change to our brown color. On active, change to our brown color as well. Additional information, we have this. In the case of review and comments, we need to change the ratings to a brown color, as well as the border color to a brown color. We also need to change the review form as well to a brown color, as well as the submit button to a brown color. So I always like to make the border same with the background as well. And for the hover, the border color should be a brown color, and the background color should be transparent, and this should be dark. All right, so that's it. We're going to save this now, and we should be able to see what it looks like on preview. This is not coming up on preview because we need to actually do a shopping for this to show on preview. So what we will now do is to log out of our entire site so that we can test throughout the site and see what we've done. So we're going to be doing that in the next video.